In this guide, we will explore the 2025 Honda Ridgeline fuse box diagram and location, providing essential insights for maintaining your vehicle's electrical systems. From locating the fuse box to understanding the function of each fuse, this user guide simplifies troubleshooting and repairs. Engine compartment fuse box type A. The engine compartment fuse box type A in the 2025 Honda Ridgeline is designed to house essential fuses for critical systems, ensuring efficient power distribution. It features a durable, weather-resistant casing and clearly labeled fuse locations for easy identification. Engine compartment fuse box type B. The engine compartment fuse box type B in the 2025 Honda Ridgeline offers quick access to auxiliary fuses, featuring a compact design and clear labeling for convenience. Interior fuse box type A. The interior fuse box type A provides power to various interior accessories like the power windows, mirrors, and audio system. It also houses fuses for the lighting system, such as the headlights and taillights. Interior fuse box type B. The interior fuse box type B typically powers the power windows, mirrors, and other accessories in the passenger side of the vehicle. It may also contain fuses for the lighting system in the passenger side of the car.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.